Boston, good evening, Lufthansa 413 Heavy.
Lufthansa 413 Boston Center, good evening.
413, we are flying flight level 350 and on the minimum speed of Mach 0.73. We have to solve smell in the back of the cabin, so we will like to keep the speed for the moment.
Lufthansa 413, roger. Cleared as requested, and just advise me if you need anything.
Thank you very much.
Sender Lufthansa 413.
Lufthansa 413, go ahead.
We still have this smell in our cabin, and we decided not to continue to our destination. We would like to return to Newark, please.
Lufthansa 413, roger. Cleared to the Newark Airport via direct Nelly, November, Echo, Lima, India, Echo. Join Flossie 4 arrival.
Direct Nelly, Flossie 4 arrival, Lufthansa 413.
Lufthansa 413, read back correct. Descend and maintain flight level 280.
Descent level 280, Lufthansa 413. Can you confirm Nelly is November, Echo, Lima, Lima Yankee?
Lufthansa 413, fly heading 300.
Heading 300, Lufthansa 413.
Lufthansa 413, Nelly is spelled November, Echo, Lima, India, Echo.
November, Echo, sorry, say again.
You almost had it. Lufthansa 413, November, Echo, Lima, India, Echo.
India, Echo, Roger, Lufthansa 413.
And Lufthansa 413, fly heading 300, when able, cleared direct Nelly.
Direct Nelly and when able heading 300 Lufthansa 413.
Lufthansa 413, contact Boston Center, 133.42.
13342 Lufthansa 413, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Boston Lufthansa 413 Heavy, back to you, descending 280, descending back to Newark.
Lufthansa 413 Boston Center, roger, welcome back.
Yes. Lufthansa 413, request further descent, please.
Lufthansa level 240.
Continue down to level 240, Lufthansa 413.
Would you like any lower, or do you want to stay at 16?
16 is okay.
Lufthansa 413, roger. And when you get a moment, they're just asking for some information from you. Fuel and souls on board.
Come back.
Lufthansa 413, just to confirm, we expect right now normal landing. We have some smell in the cabin. Souls on board is 4-1 and endurance right now is 6 hours.
And Lufthansa 413, I just missed the souls on board. Did you say 41 souls on board?
Charlie, Charlie.
Lufthansa 413, roger, thank you.
And sender Lufthansa 413.
Lufthansa 413, go ahead.
We would appreciate at Newark that we could get off the passengers as soon as possible at the gate, if you could organize it.
Lufthansa, I'll pass that along. Do they have a gate assignment for you yet?
Negative, that you.
Lufthansa 413, roger, we will pass that along for you. Do you need any other assistance at the field?
Right now it's not that bad. We just two people who feel kind of a headache, so we decided not to continue to Munich.
Lufthansa 413, roger. Lufthansa 413, they say you can expect 22 right. They are working on a gate for you, so you can get your passengers offloaded as soon as possible. And do you happen to know what kind of smell it was?
That's hard to say. Our cabin staff just recognized there is some furious smell like tiger balsam or something like that. It's not, I say again, it's not like smoke. It's something different.
Lufthansa 413, roger, and thanks for the information. You can contact Boston Center now, 134.3.
343, Lufthansa, good day.
Good day.
Center, good day, Lufthansa 413, level 160.
Lufthansa 413, Boston Center, the Ford altimeter 3014.
3014, Lufthansa 413.
Lufthansa 413, I just want to confirm you still don't need any assistance or anything, you're just returning to Newark requesting runway 22 right.
Lufthansa 413, we have some curious smell. The only assistance we need is that there is a gate for us and we can disembark the passengers as soon as possible in Newark.
Lufthansa 413, roger, I'll pass that along.
Thank you.
Lufthansa 413 Heavy, 6 miles from Peterborough, maintains 3000 till established, cleared ILS, runway 22 left approach.
Lufthansa 413 Heavy, maintaining 3000 till DLH 22 left approach.
Lufthansa 413 Heavy, contact Newark Tower, 118.3.
1183 Lufthansa 413, thanks, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Newark Tower, good evening again, Lufthansa 413 Heavy, to the left. Lufthansa 413 Heavy, Newark Tower, 1 comma, 22 left, cleared away. Lufthansa 413 to the left, get land. Lufthansa 413 Heavy, requiring assistance. At the moment, there's no assistance, negative. Lufthansa 413 Heavy, roger, as you exit, cross runway 22 right November, then taxi Papa Alpha Alpha, gear gauge.